Hello guys, welcome to new trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will get a very good trading opportunity in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, in which we can earn good profit. CPI news is also going to come in the market tomorrow. Let's see how much we gain from the news. We will follow the proper price action here. I apply for all the trades and get them after some time. Guys, we have $3,563 in our account. Now we are facing loss of $400. Let's see till when this loss gets converted into profit. Till then we have to follow the trading process with patience. Let me explain to you now for which reason we have applied sell trade. Here the market had followed the uptrend with very high momentum. Before this uptrend the market was moving sideways. Right now the market is stuck at one place, which we are going to take advantage of here. I am first creating an uptrend channel. We will connect this trend line at higher low points. We can also call these points as trendline support points. This trend line should be a perfect draw because further analysis will be done on this trend line. We will take another trend line and connect it with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market was following this uptrend channel very well, which created a perfect uptrend pattern. At this place the market has given a trendline breakout, but the market did not give good momentum after the breakout. Here the market turned sideways. Earlier also the market had given trendline breakout through candle wick, but this breakout was fake. Since the candle closed inside the trend channel, let's now draw a strong support resistance level. At this level we have created multiple support resistance points, due to which the market has created multiple reversal points at the same level. Here the market first created the resistance become support pattern, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. But after trendline breakout, the market has drawn support become resistance pattern, which is a strong pattern of downtrend, which the market is following now. High percentage chance the market will move down from here because the market has not yet broken the strong support resistance level upwards. Whenever the market comes near this level we see a downward reversal. Our analysis is complete. Now we have to set stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 12 pips above the strong reversal level and outside the downtrend channel. If the market breaks the strong level on the upside, then we may see an uptrend pattern again, and the target point will be at this level where the market has not yet gone after the trendline breakout. We can expect a downtrend move till here. Guys, the market is still stuck at one place. Our loss is the same as before. Here we know what our risk will be so that we can manage psychology well. Guys, now our only job is to remain patient in the trade. Here you can clearly see the stop loss and target point. This is our perfect exit level. Always follow the fixed stop loss and target, never exit in the middle of the trade. If you follow this, then there will be a big change in your psychology. You always have to follow such steps in trading. See you after stop loss or target point is hit. Till then you can enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to.
Beautiful move, guys. After a long time the market has hit our target, which we were waiting for a long time. Course CPI news had come in the market just 45 minutes ago, the result of which was negative at first and then the news became positive. But here we followed the price action and did not close the trade in between. We got very good results. Right now the market is going rapidly downwards. The market respected our setup, because of which we have seen very good profits. Always follow your setup no matter what. The strong support resistance level we drew, the market again took resistance at the same level and moved downwards. Our stop loss was at this level, which was not hit, and if the market broke the strong level we would have exited the trade. Here I am drawing another level so that you can understand the market pattern better. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points from where the market has repeatedly reversed to the same level. The market was moving between these two levels after the trendline breakout, but now the market has broken this level below, due to which we can see a good move downwards. Let's close the trade now. Guys, currently our profit is above $4,800. There were $3,563 in our account, which has grown to $9,000. The market mostly follows price action patterns, due to which the market creates the pattern again and again, due to which we get good buying or selling opportunity. If you have learned something from this video, then do subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Peace.